Are you looking for the best tripod to elevate your photography game in 2025? From compact options to sturdy carbon fiber builds, we've got you covered with a roundup of the top tripods for every photographer's needs. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Vanguard VEO 3+. This 5-star rated carbon fiber tripod is designed for landscape, wildlife, and macro photography. Weighing 2.6 kilograms, 5 pounds 11 ounces, it's larger and bulkier than travel-friendly options, but excels in versatility and stability, making it ideal for demanding setups. Its legs can be set at independent angles, even flat to the ground, and the central column adjusts to virtually any position, providing exceptional flexibility for creative shooting. The included BH250S ball head enhances the experience with its premium build, friction adjustment for various load weights, and dual panning capabilities with a rotating base and Arca-Swiss-compatible clamp. While the numerous dials and knobs may take time to master, the tripod's straightforward operation and rock-solid stability accommodate nearly any photographic setup, making it an outstanding choice for professionals. Number 2. Benro Tablepod Flex Kit. This is a 5-star rated carbon fiber tripod perfect for landscape, wildlife, and macro photography. At 2.6 kilograms, it's bulkier than travel-oriented options, but delivers exceptional versatility and stability, making it ideal for challenging setups. Its independently adjustable legs allow for creative angles, including positioning flat to the ground, while the central column can be set to virtually any angle, offering unparalleled flexibility. The included BH250S ball head adds to its appeal with a premium build, adjustable friction control for varying loads, and dual panning functionality featuring a rotating base and Arca-Swiss-compatible clamp. Although mastering its dials and knobs takes time, the tripod's intuitive use and reliable stability make it a top choice for professional photographers tackling diverse scenarios. Number 3. Benro MeFoto RoadTrip Pro Carbon Fiber. This is billed as a 6-in-1 tripod, and while that might suggest a jack-of-all-trades compromise, it's a surprisingly capable travel companion. With a maximum height of 152.5 centimeters and a lightweight build of 1.5 kilograms, it balances portability and functionality effectively. Key features include its ability to transform into a monopod and a mini tripod, both of which add genuine versatility for various shooting scenarios. Additionally, it includes a smartphone clamp that integrates into the head, making it an excellent choice for mobile photographers and videographers. For budget-conscious users, Benro offers an aluminum version of the RoadTrip Pro for around $175. Though slightly heavier at 1.77 kilograms, it delivers similar performance at a lower price point. Number 4. Peak Design Travel Tripod. It comes with a premium price, but offers excellent performance. Weighing just 1.27 kilograms, it's 290 grams lighter than the aluminum version, making it easier to carry in a fully loaded backpack. However, the aluminum version remains the best value for most users. Both versions feature 5-section legs, extend up to 152.4 centimeters, and support up to 9.1 kilograms. The unique integrated ball head is effective and can be swapped with a standard one using the universal head adapter. Additional cost. At just 39.1 centimeters when folded, the tripod is incredibly compact and easily fits into a water bottle pocket. Despite being lightweight, it offers excellent stability, even handling long exposures with heavy lenses, making it a top choice for travel photographers. Number 5. Joby RangePod Smart Tripod. It offers excellent value as an entry-level option with a modern Arca-Swiss-compatible ball head and impressive load-bearing capacity. It includes a phone adapter that adjusts to fit various phone sizes and features cold shoe mounting points for attaching small accessories like lights or microphones. With a maximum height of 160 centimeters, it's one of the tallest tripods in its class and supports up to 8 kilograms, making it suitable for heavier setups. The 4-section legs with Joby's M-lock system make for fast and easy setup, ensuring you can get to work quickly. Overall, the RangePod Smart Tripod is an affordable and versatile option, especially for users who need a reliable, flexible tripod for both photography and video use. So, which tripod is the best? After testing them all, the Peak Design Travel Tripod stands out for its innovative design, ease of use, and outstanding stability. Perfect for both pros and beginners alike.